You're staring at your phone. Notifications stack up. 1, 2, 3. That text you sent last night replays in your head. Why did I say that? Your coffee's gone cold. Your inbox pings again. Your mind's racing, replaying yesterday's meeting. That coworker's jab. Your own sharp reply. The world's loud. Your head's louder. What if you could just stop? Not to fix it. Not to fight it. Just to be still. Silence isn't empty. It's where you find control. Where you choose what matters. Stoicism shows us how, in 9 moments, when silence isn't weakness, but power. Ready to pause with me? Let's begin. If you've ever felt your thoughts spiral like this, leave a dot. Not for me, not for views, but so someone else, just like you, finds this quiet when they need it. Life's noisy. Emails, deadlines, group chats that never sleep. Your mind's noisier. Overthinking that one comment, rehearsing what you'll say next. Stoicism cuts through. It's not about grand wisdom, it's about control over your reactions, not the world. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you'll find strength. Silence is that power. It's not running away. It's choosing when to speak, when to act, when to let the noise pass. Think about it. How often do you react and regret? A sharp reply, a heated post. What if you'd paused? What if silence gave you back your peace? Today, we'll walk through 9 moments. 9 times when silence isn't just smart, but freeing. These aren't rules, they're anchors. For when your mind's too loud, for when the world pushes you to react. Each moment's a chance to breathe, to choose, to find clarity. Let's start. Situation 1. When you're criticized unfairly, picture this. You're at your desk. Your boss emails feedback on your project. It's harsh, personal. This isn't up to standard. Your stomach twists. You want to fire back, defend yourself, prove them wrong. Ever been there? That urge to reply fast. It's strong. But what if you didn't? Stoicism says, wait. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "If it bothers you, it's not the thing, it's how you think about it. Their words aren't you, they're just noise. Silence lets you sort truth from trash." Here's how. Read the email, feel the sting, then breathe. Once, twice. Ask yourself, is there truth here? Maybe there's one useful point. Keep it. Let the rest go. Don't hit reply. Not yet. Walk away, sip water, let the urge fade. Imagine this. A freelancer gets a client's critique. Your design's amateur. He wants to argue. Instead, he waits. He revises one element based on the feedback, ignores the insult. His next submission wins the contract. His silence wasn't weak. It was control. What would change if you tried this? That email's still there, but your mind's calmer. You're not defending, you're choosing. You're above the noise. How would that feel? To let their words fall and keep your peace. Think about it. Next time criticism hits, could silence be your strength? Situation 2. When someone boasts, you're at a bar. A friend's talking loud. New job, big raise, fancy car. Everyone's nodding. You feel it. That itch to top them. Oh, I just closed a deal too. Ever felt that pull to match their noise with yours? Stoicism says, don't. Epictetus wrote, let others' words show who they are. Their boasts aren't about you. Silence keeps you free. Try this. Listen, nod, smile if you want. But don't compete. Shift your mind to your own goals. What are you building? That's your focus. Picture this. A content creator's at a meetup. Someone brags about their viral video. He could mention his own stats. Instead, he asks a question. How'd you get that reach? The bragger talks more. He learned something. His silence wasn't small. It was wise. What if you didn't need to prove anything? Their story's loud, but your path's yours. Silence lets you stay grounded. not chasing their spotlight. How would that feel? To just be E without comparing. Next time someone boasts, could you let it pass? And keep your calm? Situation 3. When anger rises. You're at work. A coworker's mistake means you're stuck late. Again, your chest tightens. You want to snap. Why can't you just do your job? Sound familiar? That heat, it's real. But Stoicism says pause. Seneca wrote, "Anger hurts you more than the cause. Silence cools the fire." Here's how. Feel the anger. Don't hide it, but don't speak. Clench your fist if you need to. Count to 5. Breathe out slow. Ask, will yelling fix this? It won't. Picture this. A coder's teammate misses a deadline. He's furious. Wants to call them out. Instead, he steps outside. Breathes. Emails a calm question later. Can we sync on this? The issue's fixed without a fight. His silence wasn't soft. It was strong. What changes if you wait? The anger's still there, but it's not driving. You're in control. You're not the guy who snapped. You're the one who solved it. How would that feel? To walk away lighter, not heavier, next time you're mad. Could silence save your peace? Situation 4. When rumors spread. You're in a group chat. Someone twists what you said. He's slacking. It's not true. Your fingers hover over the keyboard. You want to set it straight. Ever been there? That urge to explain, to fight the lie. Stoicism says, hold back. Marcus Aurelius wrote, the truth doesn't need your defense. Silence starves the gossip. Try this. Read the message. Feel the sting. Then lock your phone. Don't reply. Ask, will arguing change their minds? Probably not. Focus on your actions. Let them speak. Imagine this. A freelancer hears coworkers whisper he's unreliable. He could confront them. Instead, he delivers his next project early. The rumors fade. His silence wasn't surrender. It was power. What if you let the noise die? The chat's still buzzing, but you're above it. Your work's your voice, not your words. How would that feel? To stay clean of the mess and keep your clarity. Next time rumors hit, could silence be your shield? Situation 5. When you face loss. Your pitch got rejected. Months of work gone. You stare at the email. We're going another direction. It hurts. You want to rant. To blame. Ever felt that ache? That pull to fill the void with words. Stoicism says, sit with it. Seneca wrote, loss is part of life's flow. Silence lets you heal. Here's how. Read the rejection. Feel the weight. Don't push it away. Breathe. Write one thing you learned from the project. Just one. Then close the notebook. Move on. Picture this. A writer's manuscript gets turned down. He wants to email the publisher. Instead, he takes a walk. Jots down a new idea. That idea becomes his next book. His silence wasn't defeat. It was growth. What if you didn't fight the pain? The loss is real, but silence gives it space. You find lessons, not just scars. How would that feel? To let go and find peace? Next time loss hits, could silence help you see clearer? Situation 6. When you face ignorance, you're on a call. A client's pushing a bad idea. This'll go viral. You know it won't. You want to correct them. Lay out the facts. Ever felt that urge to fix their mistake? Stoicism says, wait. Epictetus wrote, you control your response and all their beliefs. Silence saves your energy. Try this. Listen. Don't interrupt. Ask a question. How do you see this working? Let them talk. Their gaps show. You stay calm. Imagine this. A designer's client demands a cluttered layout. She could argue. Instead, she nods. Asks, what's the goal here? The client rethinks. Her silence wasn't weak. It was smart. What if you didn't need to teach them? Their idea's off, but your mind's clear. You're not fighting. You're guiding. How would that feel? To stay above the noise and keep your calm? Next time ignorance shows. Could silence be your guide? Situation 7. When gossip swirls. You're at lunch. Co-workers whisper about someone's mistake. He's done. They look at you, waiting for your take. You want to join in, add your 2 cents. Ever felt that pull? To be part of the chatter. Stoicism says, step back. Marcus Aurelius wrote, focus on your own virtue. Silence keeps you clean. Here's how. Smile. Change the topic. Hey, what's up with that new project? Or just eat. Don't add fuel. Picture this. A team's gossiping about a manager. One guy stays quiet, asks about the weekend. The talk shifts. He's not in the drama. His silence wasn't boring. It was free. What if you stayed out of it? The gossip's loud, but you're untouched. Your mind's light, not tangled. How would that feel? To walk away clean and keep your peace? Next time gossip starts, could silence keep you clear? Situation 8. When injustice strikes. You worked hard. The promotion was yours. Then it went to someone else, less qualified. Your jaw clenches. You want to call it out. Ever felt that sting? That need to fight back? Stoicism says pause. Seneca wrote, justice lies in your response. Silence prepares you. Try this. Feel the unfairness. Don't bury it. Breathe. Ask, what can I control now? Plan your next step. Not their mistake. Imagine this. A marketer's passed over for a lead role. He could complain. Instead, he refines his skills. Lands a better gig later. His silence wasn't loss. It was strength. What if you didn't react? The injustice is real, but silence gives you power. You're not stuck. You're moving. How would that feel? To rise above and find clarity. Next time unfairness hits, could silence be your path? Situation 9. When you're insulted, you're scrolling. A comment on your post cuts deep. This is garbage. Your fingers itch. You want to clap back. Ever been there? That urge to fire off a reply. Stoicism says, stop. Epictetus wrote, no one harms you without your consent. Silence takes their power. Here's how. Read the words. Feel the bites. Then close the app. Breathe. Ask, does this change who I am? It doesn't. Let it go. Picture this. A YouTuber gets a harsh comment. He wants to argue. Instead, he works on his next video. It gets thousands of likes. His silence wasn't small. It was big. What if you didn't answer? The insult's there, but you're untouched. Your mind's free, not chained. How would that feel? To be untouchable. Truly strong? Next time an insult lands, could silence set you free? We've walked through 9 moments, 9 times to pause. Not to win, not to lose, but to choose. The world will keep shouting. Notifications, opinions, noise. But you don't have to shout back. Stoicism isn't a fix, it's a practice. One breath at a time, one silence at a time. Next time your phone buzzes, or your mind screams, what if you just paused? Not to be better, not to solve it, just to be. If this felt like a moment of quiet, save it. Not for me, but for you. Tomorrow.